Hey everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday. Yay! And it's a very simple mom hack, but you always want to keep peppermint on you, right, Aiden? Show them the peppermint. All right, so you always want to keep this on you. I will almost always have peppermint on me because it is one of my go-to oils. You might be wondering why, and it's because I feel like it can solve almost every problem for me. Okay, maybe not quite, but close. Now, I will put peppermint on you if I hear you complain about any kind of head tension, anything having to do in this area. I'm always like, can I rub some peppermint on you? Now, the thing with peppermint is it has a cooling component to it, and it's menthol, and it actually triggers your nerve endings for the receptor sites to cool down. So that is why you feel the cooling sensation. It also makes it tingle. So definitely using a carrier oil when you're first starting to see how sensitive you are, because I have one kid that's super sensitive to peppermint. Even if I put a ton of coconut oil on him, sometimes it's still not enough. And then you'll see with Aiden, I can put peppermint neat, so straight from the bottle on him, and it doesn't faze him. Now, again, it's gonna tingle, but he is okay with it. So when someone's complaining of head tension, what you're gonna do is you grab the bottle of peppermint, okay? You can put a drop in your hand. We'll do it that way. We'll put a drop in our hand, like that. And then I'm just going to apply it to his neck. You can apply it to temples. Now you want to be careful when you're applying it to your temples that it's not too close to your eye, because it will irritate your eye. It will burn. I'm not gonna even lie. And it can sometimes just be so strong. And then you can always rub it across your forehead. Everywhere you rub it, you're gonna get a cooling sensation. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on me because why not? How's it feel? Is it cool? Is it tingly?
No, not yet.
Not yet? It will be. Smell good?
Yeah.
We love peppermint. So putting it in the palm of your hands and taking a couple deep breaths too is awesome, right? So this is Mom Hack Monday, keeping it very simple for you. Grab a bottle of peppermint. Tell me what your favorite thing to do with peppermint is. Bye.
Now it's cooling.
Now it's cooling. Is it tingling?
Yeah.
Yeah, we love it.